CNC drilling and milling machine tool. 6-meter long profile, side-drilled, continuous porous drilling. This machine adopts a PLC integrated CNC and touchscreen integrated human-machine dialogue system with a fault self-diagnosis program and intelligent touchscreen control. This machine tool is designed and manufactured specifically for drilling aluminum alloy mesh pressing plates and anti-theft aluminum profiles in the door and window industry. The horizontal structure of the entire machine is drilled from the side, with a maximum effective drilling stroke of 2000 on the left and right sides. Equipped with a pneumatic press device and rear support and left and right gear mechanisms, it can quickly clamp and move the workpiece to the left and right for positioning. Automatically move left, right, up, and down to the desired position. Drill holes with different spacing according to the required hole position requirements, and the drilling parameters can be set at will. A 4,500 long support frame is equipped on both sides to continuously drill a 6-meter long workpiece through multiple holes. The depth of the drilling hole can be adjusted by CNC 0-point start and stop, with a maximum stroke of 15. It can drill holes that are not in the same straight line, and can also machine various hole types such as long grooves and U-shaped holes on the surface of the workpiece. High drilling efficiency, precise hole position, no burrs on the front and back sides, program free, no need for full-time operators, and can be operated at will. Widely used in the shipbuilding industry, automotive accessories, solar photovoltaic power generation and energy storage, automatic drilling and milling in various industries such as door and window industry, building decoration, home appliances, etc.